Here is how I did my half-up style with 2 rows of invisible bead extensions. This style might seem intimidating, but it's actually really simple. First, you are going to want to do a loose curl in your hair, followed by using the Goldilocks hair serum to lock in the shine. Following that, section your face framing pieces out and then section right below your top row. This is going to be the area we will be clipping up. Behind your head, split that section into 2. Take one of the sides and flip it under the other, then back around top. The 2 sections should now be in a vertical line. Find your favorite hair clip to secure those sections to your head, but not to your weft line. Now fluff up that top section and finish it off using the Goldilocks texture spray. This is the perfect hairstyle for a night out or to elevate any look.